Alright guys, today we are going to be making the kite. So you're going to need an 8 by 6 inch square. Measure 8. You're going to that? You're not? Alright, we're going to fold it in half both ways. And then we're going to fold it short ways into quarters. Alright, now we're going to label these lines. So it's going to be A, E, C, G, H, B, F, D, and then there's a half line here that we are going to have to label. We're going to fold B, D on G, H. So we're going to take B, D and fold it over here on G, H. And this is going to give us the IJ line. We're going to label that IJ. So now we have this labeled like this. Alright, so now we're going to join EI. So EI, EI, EJ, EJ, and then FI and JF, and then we are going to cut out this kite shape. And now it says to add a tail to the kite. So I have some cotton thread here. So here's your kite and here's my tail. I'm going to be pasting the tail underneath the T section. So it says that your kite can break really easily, and to create some T's. So you need some T pieces for your kite. And I used glue. I used tacky glue to put this together. So you're just going to do a line like this. And I pasted the tail on at this point. Then that. And then I trimmed it up. Cross section, they added some little bows to their kite. I think they might be made of paper and tied up. That's a way you can make a bow with string. But here's the kite, and then it shows you connecting a string here, but it doesn't really tell you how. It just says make the tail of a kite with strong cotton thread or string and tissue paper. So I think the bow is made of tissue paper. It doesn't really tell you how to loop this in. So I would just use some more cotton thread and adhere it somehow, maybe underneath here even. I don't know. I'm not a kite expert. So this is just the instructions for the paper modeling kite. So to make a lead for the kite, I just gonna use a bit of tape. And just tape it down. Like that.